This video demonstrates what the experiment in the report Bad Apples or Bad Laws look like to participants. Please check out the report for a full explanation of the experiment and how it relates to civil forfeiture. First, we'll look at a civil forfeiture period from Scenario 1 from the point of view of a red participant. For the first 15 seconds, hammers are disabled, so the red participant can explore and decide what to do. The blue participants are to the right of the dividing wall, waiting for red to break it down. Once hammers are enabled, this red participant breaks open the box and takes all the tokens, including the bright tokens that blues can also collect. This is what most red participants did in the actual experiment. In the panel on the right, you can see the red participant click on the green dollar sign to convert tokens to cash, 3 cents each. Then, red knocks down the dividing wall to earn another 15 cents. But because red has already taken all the bright tokens, there are none for blues to collect. Here's the same period from the perspective of a blue participant. While the red participant decides what to do, blues can pick up tokens to the right of the dividing wall. For each token, blues also earn 3 cents. Once red knocks down the dividing wall, blues can cross to the left to pick up tokens. They can chat with each other, and you can see that these blues are frustrated that red already took all the bright tokens they could have collected. Now let's look at Scenario 2 with civil forfeiture from a red participant's perspective. This time there are 3 walls. The red participant could forego the red tokens in the top box that she alone can collect and knock down the other 2 walls so blues can get to the pastel tokens. Or she could pick up the red tokens and use them to buy a third hammer. Or she could just keep the red tokens, shutting blues out. Here, the red participant takes the red tokens from the top box, breaks open the bottom box, and then clicks on the hammer button in the panel to the right. This converts 7 tokens into a third hammer that red uses to let blues through the dividing wall. The blue participants then pick up their pastel tokens. In the experiment, red participants were more inclined to pocket all the cash from the tokens instead of buying a third hammer, thus shutting the blue participants out. Here's the same period from a blue participant's point of view. After some time picking up tokens to the right, blues congregate by the dividing wall, waiting to be led across. Once across, they pick up the pastel tokens, and this time, their comments show they're pleased. Finally, here's Scenario 3 with civil forfeiture, first from a red participant's point of view. Scenario 3 also has 3 walls, so red must purchase a third hammer if she wants to knock them all down. If she does, she can take the bright tokens or leave them for the blue participants. This red participant, like nearly all participants in the actual experiment, chooses to take the red and bright tokens. The red participant then clicks the green dollar sign in the panel on the right, converting all tokens to cash instead of buying a third hammer. Here's what the same period looked like to a blue participant. Again, blues pick up tokens on the right, waiting for red to knock down the dividing wall. Eventually, they congregate at the wall, asking to be let through, even though they know the red participant can't see their chat. In the experiment, some red participants bought the third hammer and let blues through to collect pastel tokens, but some did not.